Okay, so Mexican quarter pounder. Looks the same. Okay guys, so welcome to McDonald's Cancun, Mexico. This is our third stop of McDonald's so far. One of the things that we like to do as a family is like whenever we travel, we try different McDonald's and KFC because those are like global franchise and we'll get to taste the difference between McDonald's, KFC in America, in the Caribbean, and we get to compare service. We get to compare the taste of the meal because we know that in different countries they use local products like local produce like chicken and stuff like that. So yeah, so we're checking out this McDonald's for quality of food, and we're taking you along with us. So let's do this. Okay, guys, so we are in McDonald's, Cancun, Mexico, and this is something that we have not seen before. It's a family pack. So we have chicken nuggets, two medium fries,
and a crack.
This is what double Whopper, or what kind of burger was it?
It's a
It's a quarter pounder, and this is
Happy Meal.
Happy Meal.
And me and Jay already have the toys.
Yep, and a water. So family pack. I've never seen this before, so this is interesting. We're gonna dig into it. Okay, so with the family pack, look at those mini fries. I've never seen those before. Jaden, you're the fry specialist. What do you think about these miniature fries?
I'm not gonna eat them because they're too cute.
They're too cute?
Yep.
Wow, you're gonna destroy those fries.
Good. Baby fries delicious. It's
different.
a little bit.
It tastes different.
Yeah.
Tastes different, I don't know why.
Tastes the same.
Tastes the same? And the chicken nuggets taste different from Toronto, right?
Yep.
Better, different, or different? Just different. Better?
No.
Just different.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so Mexican quarter pounder. Looks the same. Very good.
Does it taste different?
Not really. It's good. Okay, guys. So this is our second McDonald's, right?
Yeah.
In Mexico. Okay, Jaden, you go first. What would you rate the fries?
Okay, so first I'm going with these little fries. I rate them a 10 out of 10. They're too cute.
10 out of 10?
Yep. And for the big fries, I'd rate them like an 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10?
Yeah.
So the mini fries are 10 out of 10 because it's cute,
Yeah.
and then the big fries 8 out of 10 because it's regular.
Yeah.
Okay, not bad. You, Mariah?
For the fries, 9 out of 10.
Yeah, and the cheeseburger?
Cheeseburger maybe like a 7.
7.
Yeah.
And the nuggets?
Nuggets, 9 out of 10 as well.
9 out of 10.
Maybe 9.5.
9.5.
Yeah.
And the other day we had the chicken. You had the chicken sandwich, right?
Yes.
How would you rate the chicken sandwich?
That was really delicious, so maybe a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Okay, so far Mexico is doing well. Mexico McDonald's. Kudos. Okay, so Mariah, our McDonald's experience in Mexico, how much would you rate it? Like the overall experience?
Maybe 8.5.
8.5? Yeah, I would say like maybe a 9 out of 10 because the The chicken is better than the ones in Toronto. Um, Overall, it's good. And what I'm surprised here, we have never gotten table service in Toronto before. So see, they give you a number and they put it on the table and they bring your food to you. So that's something that we never experienced before. So I'll give it a 9 out of 10. All right. Okay, guys. So when comparing McDonald's Mexico to McDonald's Canada and the McDonald's USA, I must say I'm pleasantly surprised. When I use three metrics to measure the quality, first, just the buildings themselves, how clean, how well kept, how new looking some of the McDonald's that we visited in Mexico were. I must say I'm pleasantly surprised because sometimes we get fed that Mexico is like a developing country, not as developed as Canada and America. So I was pleasantly surprised about that. Another metric was in terms of the service. By far, Mexico had the best service out of all three. They were people that were there to help you put in your order just in case you don't speak Spanish. And just the service in general, to be able to get table service was something that was new to me. I've never seen that before. And the food, I must say the sauce, in particular the sauce, and the chicken items, chicken nuggets and chicken sandwich was better in Mexico. So of the three country, Mexico came on top for me.